Edo ya wa bedene. Edo walare o abe muzalagbon he o. Atwedo ni ro wa kebedo ni risi. Wanya fe wa bo wie o, wa ba van o, wa bota o. Do adebu ni do adoga ye. Makon wo sa o be ri edagbe ma be do suzalagbon. Uzalagbon na o da wo e ma na lo e. Be na ya la wa be na la dia. Gari bude ogo honsa oge do e aye na. Oge adi rum yosa na ya suwa o. Edera kebogo mo kebogo kino wa e. Uzalagbon ma la ta lo ba dera wa. Babu ere o ma do ka ma we. Ma pon wa ye ya fe no ewu. We ri ma luzala no gba igbira. Ma be yugame ogi ko we. Ma be you wa, ma be you there, ma be you here, ma be you see. O can no ma, o can work and ma uri ni ma ya fe. We say saluba ni rawa. Ma be you da o ma be do gun aka e nu wa ho ni ma e. E nu wa ho nu ma ma e be no get do na bo wa. La o gi ko na gba o saluba no wo do. E ni ma o e ni ma ho ge ga ma se ti we mi be da gbon wa. Na ya ri yobo na gbon na ya ri yobo ni wa de na me wo yan to yan kun la o wo ege de gbe ma o yobo we ma gwa lowo ogwo ma ya we mi assembly we ma ya we mi gese ni ma saluba no wodwa fian gbe bi e wo wen ya fe ni abi setting radio dai ho oge de na ma azio na munya won bo ipon ke wo ro ma ogwo o eni Jesu Christ no nya ma isa obokian o tima ito ha ọmọ ege to ọmọ ege wo parí ere ipon so lo ba ye edagbon wọn èmi o paro ni ma o kedere ade ọdún ma gbafo ebe na ro ni ma gbon ni ma che edopa makin ebe va ma eje dogben ona wo edopa makin no que o ti tie webo edo opa makina tan ye bogben ana ye do ebo aye bi ye dogbon ana ye bo begbon run dabo oge do e ma ho dan atomu we na ye dogmen na e wa do hia o se tin wa tie e na ye dogmen e ma na we ta ye unyegbe a we ta unyegbe ni ore ma na tie video we na ya tie no re e be na aruwe unyegbe na do ma e mi e we na be na gwa lo we no ana do he ma na do ye bogbon run dabo Evan Buro na de kakabo hedo. Evan Bu wairo na de gwati ehiye. Kate eboni mabiele. Tun doni ma yawe riwedo na be yebu ate sowo. Ubega ya. Ni yawe ahon. Yawe ahon min magwanka ma wa de do. Iya ahon yen do ana ma we de matawa tun dia manate ta o but yen wa hu we rio o be ke ni ma zedu ma ga itemi be do abe zedu bebo tun doni iho ni chievi na magme ye be na we do abe ye botie ati wati be ho edopa o ma we tie kere we do ma be ye botie kere ni oka ke ni ma ata mi bi ma ke ba bo si ba we ge mi na kai ni wa ye ge me ni ya tie kere be ebe do na na gbena edo okpa makin if na ye bi na ka we edo ya fe okpa ma ya fun ma rezo unugunga ai ko ba mo boy he bu na ze okpa ma ya fun Why the hell? Wabokia Waniere, Timan to Homogi, West, Matua, the Ban, Yima to Boy, Dr. Patricia Fadaka Benovia, West or Yimanokwa, Yenokwa. The Mamma Degasi, Sister Egusa Osifo, Abokia Yenokwa. I will get favor of Vivian. Abokia Sister, who you also look my yako kudaledo you are banimao. He said, Wagare Yona Guay Here, Timai Nahu, Abokia. Ma tie Egbenoka, Kibe Egbeno give, Egbenogia. Oge duna ma tiene ma tie igbo ibe ogebo na ebuya da ho ni ara ho eminata ma bawo na wa atalo kwa na ebu mi emina gwan kan o ka boda ho edu opa makin Egbenoka o opa edukin bo muhenga de opa edukin bo muhenga de Ọ̀páyàn yéwe kí n bẹ̀ ògùn gan. Ẹ̀kọ́ gba òkótó rẹ̀ òmùhánríyà. Ire ẹ̀gàn pa ẹ̀dọ́ ìyá kìlàdìá. Ìyá rẹ̀ àdéṣẹ̀ ní anára ṣèkà. Ìyá kéde bẹ́ rúndà ìyá rẹ̀ owó. Ìran pàtàkì nọ́kẹ́gbà n'ọ̀sà náyì rẹ̀. Èsèsèsè. Oge unia ogibi oge. Ogiso oge nage ke isodorore. Unia ogiso nikao. Igi opa ya nyangba. Wene oka ogedo omuhen kaaye. Unia oge weka. Tu viens edigye tankian. Ọba iye vaari ege náà o táyé iye tàkìá ọ ní Egbenoka o ọbẹ̀gẹ̀ bí náà yá dé hẹ ìkára náà ọ wà á dé Egbenogieva Egbe ọ ní ebe ibùtẹ̀ chapter igodo migodo n'oredo igodo migodo n'oredo. Nọ̀rẹ́ àdéṣẹ̀ ìyànà lẹ́gàdo. Nọ̀rẹ́ ìyàmà ọ̀rẹ́ àrè ọ̀rẹ́ do. Oge vẹ́ èkàn nọ lẹ́gà ẹ̀wé bo China. Nọ̀yẹ́ ìgbà ẹ̀nẹ́ tàǹsẹ̀ èkàn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀wé bo China. Kúṣe rárí ẹ̀ wúṣẹ́ kọ́gbẹ̀sẹ̀. Hadi udo Yekovia Kurokwosa hadi eho Kuronigbe hadi uromi Yase auchi kebe ibilo be yeke irua Keoka be sokmomba Yase ebokabwa Sugo Soro Yase ọba géèdùn nù àmẹ́. Re igwebe, re abohimi, re ọsọsọ, yase agọnàbùdẹ. Kebe ọwa, agbẹdẹ, afúnze, nísìkọ̀wá náà mìàmìà. Àríọ́bẹ̀dọ̀ dẹ́kan ìdá, Kwara. Kebe jaba oko edo ekaladera ose uhe ona tota yuhe waswe gari iwe ori egbe mai abuhe we okoro n'orie ogiso owodo oge unia oge ogiso igodo ona ye Uhekin Ilé Ifẹ̀ Ìdòdùwà ọ̀rẹ́ Ògìso Òwòdò ẹ̀rátà nọ̀rẹ́ òkèdò yàsẹ̀ dẹ̀dàkọ̀ ẹ̀ kó Oga de o anya na bo. Egbe n'oge ha. Ọ dị ma ya chee sere na o. Egbe n'oge ha. Ariaba odenya. Ariobedo odenya ọwọ. Ifon kebe ebu Igbo. Oye ohamu kanya oboro. Umunede kebe ugele. Eko na iche Lagos. Iya boye iya he ni. Eko ni yoku na okeba. Ọ̀kẹ́ otiti wàdórí. Ọ̀pá ẹ̀dọ̀kí òbùnhẹ́ gàdé. Ọ̀pá yàn yébékí ògùngà. Igodo n'oredo. Ọ̀kẹ́ yàdébà ẹ̀bù ọ̀bẹ̀hìn nù kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àríàsẹ́ yake ivekwabe igogbe oredo rari uwe Africa yase Congo Brazzaville udo ewa ogidi gan nebo udo ewa ogidi gan na mamie no setien be okwaria sen nede Ona ba umozo yoto we yama ore akom yoto esore da home nedo nori egbe oboe iyeke Ghana nika ere Sierra Leone ya yase Gambia esi peni owade ukore doyi bewiya very area ibi edo ni sodo ibi angibo edene fun doni obanya oto yaso egwebo we ni maka oba to pe ise ona egbe nogi ha egbe iha na ma ya etie owe na my be ebe bo the be ma be ga hon we e the matana nya the wazele boku ma we what you were talking about only my way banato na then what you were talking about why the hell then ma talk about na hin those are one is a translation the English version of Edo Okpamakin. Those are one is a book that tells us details of how we Edos are one. Though we may be diversified into different dialects, but we are from one root and we are still one. One in origin, yet one in diversity. I'd like all of us to listen carefully. The 3 chapters that we read just now in Edo, we want to read them in English. Those were one in origin. Those were one in origin. They are yet one in diversity. You reverently behold their genesis, that those came out of one quiver. There was a center from where they rallied. Expanded they became because there were no boundaries. A people, special, direct descent from the Creator, the kindred of a real royal line. Ogiso, king, sent from ethereal skies. Ogiso dynasty, forebears of 31 kings. So Edo creation story affirms. Eweka dynasty. The royal line continued. 38 ruling Obas. The counting continues. That is chapter 1. Now, chapter 2. Or verse 2. Igodo Migodo, Benin City. Igodo Migodo, later called Benin City, enriched by the great walls of Benin. The historical monument of Benin, second to the Great Wall of China, yet it is 4 times longer than the Wall of China. From Wuse to Ogbese and Udo beyond Ovia River, Urokosa to Eho, Uronigbe to Uromi, unto Auchi and the Bilo beyond the Rua, from Oka and Sokmomba to Ewokabwa unto Ugo, Orogo to Obage Nunuamen. Then to Igweben, Ebohimi, Ososo to Agednobude, and Awa, Agbede, Afuze, too near to forgive. Edo Kingdom touched Ida, Kwara, Jebel. Edo Prince, called a Kaladera, when he was banished, he settled at Uhe. He revealed himself that he was the son of the Sky King, Ogiso Owodo, a descendant of the ethereal royal line of Ogiso Igodo. That is how Uhe became Ile-Ife, Idoduwa of Ogiso Owodo, a salient fact in the history of Benin until tomorrow. That was verse 2. Now we go to verse 3, where we shall stop today. A dominant kingdom. Edo Kingdom dominated Owo, Ifon, and Igbo country. Obo, Umunede, and Ugele, they were ruled by loyal vassals. Eko, which is now known as Lagos, they founded it and named it a camp. That's what Eko stands for, a camp. For military expeditions, famed. Edo people were one in origin, and they are still one in diversity. Igodo Migodo region could not Edo's confine. Thousands migrated away from the mainland to regions in Africa, far as Congo Brazzaville. There, Oba Ewari Ogidiga of the 15th century, the invisible, there, in unhindered military expeditions centuries ago, he picked his sword of conquest as a goal. Some Edos moved to Dahomey, now known as Benin Republic. Others are in Ghana, Sierra Leone, Gambia, also. Even Spain, they retained earlier Edo ambassadors. If not so, where are their children and descendants today? So, Obanyato, everybody should say, Obanyato means Oba owns the land. This is where we will stop today. Another time we will read 2 chapters or 2 verses until we finish all of them into verse 7. Get yourself a copy of this book. Those are one. It is found in eBay. Edokpa Makin. I greet everyone this morning. This is Edo Forum, Edo Shepherd Forum. Okay. It's time for counseling, pastoral counseling. This is the time for Edo pastoral counseling. Ibudi, Ogo Gyo Hausa, the pastoral counseling of the bishop, the servant of the living God. Ibudi, Ogo Dana, Iyobo, Niviebu, or Niviedo, Raya Swan, Eki. Iyobo, Niviedo, Wagwa, Lonia, Yaswan, Eki. Today's topic is the help, the support that Edo people need, young people need, that they might start their businesses, their small-scale businesses of their own. So this is where we come from. There's a medium we want to go through. Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry, investing in human lives. So, this particular topic of the help that our people need, young people need, to invest and start their own businesses, we term calling it investing in human lives. It's going to come to us through the NGO, non-for-profit organization of Bishop Stephen Agahowa. You see the logo here, and you see here investing in human lives. Particularly, this topic we are dealing with today is telling us how we can invest directly in human lives, in individual persons who are needy, who need help to get up, who need help to start small businesses, to start trading businesses. If not time or well, Ogyo Hena ona do mwen, ou vient pagbo, ou vient gaou salopwa. If not wa ya ou vient na mwen yobo, ori bio salopwa na mwen ve, ou mouve ori wina ebiosa. Ou mouve ori wina ori biosa. Ayani ka we ega nyo ewune sosi oru salopwa. Ore Ghana, ahona do zuvion paladia, ou vient na ye mwen, ye fiongon, ou vient na ore omouve, ore ewine biosa. Ahona ri yobo ni biosa lobwa. Ahona ri yobo ni viedo. Ahona ri yobo ni viebwa. Na lo dieke, ri enia, na lo duku ri ere wo boma iso, na nakara kwa awin afọ evia awama isobo iyobo na hona una ahona ri eni owo omuve ayo ni ka we iyobo ni agwalo ni aya sun ekina ado omuve wa no igo da aya we awaka awa mun obiye doni mata awaka oigba Iuna no aya so ni ai mu na ai ne ru yo e. Ga o men ga we. De ga ma mi ya we. Orobo salobo. Oro bi mahia. Da be mi ya we orobo salobo oro bi mahia. So pa e ri marion. E da kele o. O ha wa kai ori gba ai mu yo wan ni obo. We ya so eki no ato. Ma be e ko ta yu to na inu eki na ho na ya so. Eki no wa gbagbon ya fe. O. Wa ga da o eki ni magana se ti adegi ya. Aga ebe ni ya do he. Abe ga yu ya tuya. Abe ya di enyebere na bo ha adege o move. Unda ma mi bi edo no bu. No yo wi we no ma mi emi no ri u bo yo wi we re na. Ma be bi edo no bu no ma yo hie. Ma be bi edo no bu no be yo kere o ma ye fu. Egbe ma we ri o yen do aro e. We ni aje ni ya ga gwa le win ya ga gwa le win aga gben le be yo bona gben le be yo bona agben so ya si eso ya we be ma gbase ya ga si eso ya we na ti ebegbe e se ti win na ya se eso ewe ma mi ebe ri re yiye be no ina ye be ri o ya ke na give mana do ma bezi yo mama ho na do ya ki na gi me so aba na gi ma ki van wi oge ibabo ise so aba no gi ma gwa be ya mu yo mana be we na do sia koko me no gwa na o he osa me na me a ri egbe yo ni ma do si oge do koko do wa ya da ho ma do si oge do koko no me ke na gba e ni ma ibi edo na eme mi no ru ibi edo na eme yobo ibi edo na eme go biyan ibi edo no me tina ya we bi ibi edo no me wa na ya we bi ma ho na gba le be na ya ri yobo ni ya he okade yobo ni awa we oge wata ọ̀rọ̀ àárín ìgbé arúgbó àárín ẹgbà ẹ máa ṣẹ́tì rí yóò bọ̀ ná. Àgbàbẹ̀ yẹn wí ọgbọ́n ni ọ̀sàlùbọ̀ kí o wà ní àná. Àgbà yẹn ọgbọ́n ni àríyànà òhánmù ìbàrú nu ẹ̀rí gbìyàn. Ẹ̀dọ́ wàdà hẹ́rì ní táà. Wàhán bọ̀ ní táàgì náà. Màgà ìṣe kòkó àyàmú yóò bọ̀ níyàn. Yen ya do akini kian ekike kino diga kin ekiwuga ya mi o ekiya opa mama we na bo ya fe wa do eki opa o e va soro na kinado na ero ikega nena ero ikega ase tin gbagba yo egbe ma we ri o ma be ri yo bo niyan ni ya we iwina ni aho ni awina ya nu ya dweki ya be gwa awina oge do eri ma ya we na ri go na no ya dweki o adweki e ya no be gwi yan setin dweki iwina ya we a be ri yo bo no ya we wina ni o wa na dweki a be wina Nebe wina, nebe mabe wina. Obe adweki. Aimia wana wa to tavyo boku akara. Aimia wana wa to ta bio boku akara. Aimia wana no ara nu ye ho. Ibio saloba ya fe ti anga die ba ebe de agbe. Ma ho na ri yubo yina. Do wa ho manani yo bonani wano gemena wano dai homena ma ave tie no viare. What we are trying to do is to come to help Edo people. Many of our Edo young people, they don't have jobs. Some of them went to school, they went to college. They finished college. But when they came out, they don't have job, and they have been writing application here, application there. Some people, their application are not recognized because they don't have the appropriate certificates. Some people have certificates, but they are not specialized in certain jobs, so they don't get it. And some people don't have certificate at all. And there are others who they don't even go to school at all. They are different categories. Different categories. But one thing we recognize is the fact that these people, they need help. These are Edo people, they need help. That is why we are coming down to see how they can be helped. We really want to help them. May God make it possible for them to be helped. Amen. So this help we want to give them is going to be direct help. We are not going to ask them to go to Lokoja first or to go to Sapele. Direct help. We will put money together. The entire amount of money that they need to start a small trading business. A small trading business. They call it small scale business. We will help them to know, identify the business they want to do. We will buy the stuff together. We put it together and we tell this individual and give them to this individual person and pray for him and bless him and tell him to go. Take those things away for free. We are not asking him to pay back. Because once in everybody's lifetime, one time in everybody's lifetime, there will be a miracle. And this is the miracle. You see? Don't wait for other miracles. There is a miracle that is coming to happen in your life now. We will give you everything for free. You go and do the small business. You will make profit and make gain. And then you continue from there on your own. When you sell all that we have given you, the money you take and buy another. Buy the commodities again. And you continue from there on your own. We will monitor you to make sure you are doing it. But we are not coming back to tell you to give us the money back or give us your profit. No. It will be your profit. If it be your gain, it will be your money. But you have to be responsible to manage your profit, your money, and the capital. Isn't that wonderful? Is that not a miracle? Everything for free. We will make ourselves available. We will appoint supervisors and counselors, people who will help you to succeed. They will help you make decisions at certain times. They will help you put your money together. You know, they will counsel you. They will supervise you to make sure you don't fail. And success will be your own reward. May God make it happen unto you. Amen. That is it. There will be a fundraiser to get seed money for the needy people. Get it? Whether they are women or they are young people, to start their trading businesses, to start the trading startup. That's what we are talking about. I need everybody to understand it carefully and clearly. Some people are talking about churches taking money, collecting offering from people. Now here comes the church coming to bless individuals who need help. I appeal to you who are hearing me now to join me. This time you are called to come and join the people of God to make miracles happen for the needy poor people. Please. Ima itutu wa ya fefefe obi mo pa gba o. Saba we no bo pa gba e o be gba e tu ki o mo pa. But even they say that obi mo pa gba e na tutu wa ya fefefe. Edo ya fe that do de ba ve na ya wi yobo na ni wi edo no bo ma so e ni wi edo no bo ma so e ni ya be ni ayebo boy igo o ha gbon to ve a ya si kokuna igo o ha gbon to ve na ya sun eki ni ma no bo ma so e abuna sigo koko na muri esosi na amugi ohen na amugi obo igogo ha gbon to ven ahia ya sun eki nema no bo ma so e eva no bo ma so e ni na kana obi give obi ra dio wa no dai homena all he have tired where usunobu edusa omakoma where Obama so ahuna do yobo na wo be tired na asu anne eni oge mo video obuwa agabe mugo na maki na wo ya be ya nyoge obi agbu awude where you bonumina no you bother you no gemma order of our operation. So first of all, there are 3 ways you need to participate. Udeha waya yoboyo in Akana. 3 ways. First, you need to pray for the success of this venture. Number 2, we need you to donate and help people to donate. 3, you will recommend the candidate. You will bring the candidate who you need to help. I don't know them, but you know them. 3 ways we need your support. Please, do not go and discourage people, and don't go and say anything against this project. If you don't want to help, God bless you. But don't trivialize it, don't scandalize it, don't say anything against it, and don't discourage people. I beg you in the name of the Lord. Udaya Nwaya de Bama. Nuka uneru yo. La hoge ya wa you know ya wa. Nupo giva. Uwa ri wo yo. Ukuki uzola. Ube kama wabe na doguma ri wo yo. Nupo gia we iri o mari. Yo man we go gwali yo bodo boban so e. U tomato sa no bua o. Inwuna na o sa no bua no. E ogi beleku. E ya ri o man bo so e no hure. O ma ga so aba edegbedegbe o ya yu gba aba na ya so aba. E ya ri o ni re we e na yobo o bi ogo ni sekele no. E wunda o ge niki. O no so aba inwuna niki. O be mi go ba aba no so ni. Mami o ma no ki ogede. Inwuna niki. Obe bigo no so yari ba ye de we no gede ni. We yari o ma no me no ure. U no we me no uge me ege me jobo. Edo we si na magi o ma yi. Edo we so guda. Unda wa ni ukikiare o kan gwe ye tele ni ewu. Wo do ri yan ni ewu re. Wodo gyo deda ma ye. O we gedia di ewu na na ma mi go ba ibo. O u feko. O ma no me no wu. Feko sa e no wi no wu ni o. Unda efe gege e ma so gwalo. Efe gege e ma amu no wana. Be na money ke be ya efe ko gaga. Ya na mi ba ga gaga. E ma ko gie na efe ko agaga. Ekino amu bo efe ko ga do. We di ovare. O ma no ari de ge ya ma no gele gwa le yobo. O ma na gwa le yobo. No ye wele si don gbe bata don yo Hey, ya mo we to my video de. No do bibia o de. Wo ha. Even na manguna na. Given my ya he. Hey, una na ron pa o. Eke me ye na. Me di edo ya do awe na kana wa do awe no we na. Oh. Mama ni wa na za yo. Any one at the board of directors. I will go here no na gba. Ibi ya na gba na e me ye emi yan yan ya we na gba na. Ya ni o gole o to the na no gidi aye. No go give am ma ya me o wa no do age iwuna no wina ekinu do the supervisor. No go give wa ya fa na yobo na ma ya si wa koko. Wawe do agwa. Wawe do agbewe. Wawe do agie. You know. Abe demi you to da kwagbam. Abe demi to da asame. Igu wa. Mama we wadi igu wa re. Uwa ka boy agbon you to. Igu no mie bekinu do ma na won. Ye. Aba agi won we we no digo ni re uwa ka ma we. A bishop where I know ma good bakwa. I did my great time. Kewaka way looking a businessman, businesswoman. How work you will be on your own. Worry a bit why I bless you where. Unabo working. No more boy can get working. You are now a businessman, a businesswoman. And then I asked one. The day we will start, we will do an orientation. This is the process. One day, orientation, not the whole day, but we gather people together, they write their names, they write their addresses, they write their telephone number, if they have telephone. Then, we will do orientation. We will teach them what we want to do and how to do it. We will help them, explain things to them, and let them know we are there for them. We are not going to send them to the world and they'll be struggling alone and having trouble. No, we will follow them and stand by them to help them. Then we have a day for commission, a day when the board of directors will bring them and hand over the goods for business to them and pray for them. Then we will have establishment site. We will go with them to the place where they are going to do whatever they want to do. We will go with them there to make sure it is good for them and it will not spoil their businesses. Yes. Then we will supervise them 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We'll go there to see what they are doing. Or it could be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. We will appoint a supervisor, give him a motorcycle. He will drive around the Benin City. If you are in Sapele or Wari or Agbo, wherever you are, in the former Bender or Edoland, we will come and find you to make sure you are doing well. You see, this is God's business, and we won't spoil it. We will do it as God has trained us to do things for Him. And then there will be a monthly meeting. There will be a monthly meeting once a month. All of you are doing the same kind of business that we have commissioned. We gather you together and have a meeting. We want to know how you are going, how you are faring. Well, we didn't see Kuki. And then in 6 months' time, we will evaluate what you have been doing. Evaluation of what is going on, to see whether you are really doing it properly, or you are playing with it, or you are a superman or superwoman. And then everything will be yours. Everything is for free. With my young nana king, a doka only a way to Benny. You might have heard Wagiri, you know, Benny. Benny, a Kenya kid, a worker of Wianye, a telephone number, Bonito. Look whatever. My dodel in here fair, Naya swanking and only my monia. I been in wine, any gear, none of Bowie, and I had to live on Look what get her. My Lelia, a double here, the Lupugia, maleli ade keni awi ana fienka o ekeni awi ana ekemi aya ge de ma tagile no de ba ni ma no pogene man ma ge yo ya gba ogi ya ge keni ana kiemi igba abuzola until you Monday Wednesday Friday or you Tuesday Thursday Saturday man I ge ni angele kiemi he then you know the way we no magba arebu yande no pogisen ukuki the man my if you go down or you do ki my sian koko my rebu yande maybe the me ya same I go and walk away and worry do my no why go ye ka bog me you talk I want to know I go I win what he go to wakama we bishop where my go to papa I was saying no I get free when we be try to my home I was saying no you saloboa I get free be na do akpopo the other ya kwa di go wa hon be dio o wa pa ta mo be dio ogi ma o gege wo wa na do don ego o da agbon e bebi agbon ri ye keku agbon ri bi esu eni gbera na e Nigeria gan la na le ba se ba uke ha ma do tota adoge benu do ki we uke ha mari yo ma do ya ga we de ugele do ki na se de wo do se e be na ma amune down doge am e be na gbe yi amune down doge inu pe da du ye ki gbon ito ini go nu kwande do be gbon yi ba na piri de ma we be ne bo we wa feku ufeku do de ba man do ri aba rin yu obo eri wa do de ba ma o mo igbenu ya feku le luvien mage de gbegbe nu ri yeki an ye be na no ugbon yeto na demande igo nu kwa pe adi asan bi ye ha ta do mi enwe na ya do gele na akwa na le Tuesday be gbon igo nu kwa ya kwa na de Wednesday be gbon igo nu kwa video de ku ma be yo be de Thursday ma be wu ma yo we na tana o aru ki ha ma idu ge igu na nu na ekinu do de ge be no mi ye ya ye e na ya fe na kana ogo he no ogo he nene kina wa aduna bo inu no bo ye de kino mo bokina de maya son e kanafia e ma so ro don gwa Africa no wa gwa Africa ihu ba go pe so be ma ave mi pe no wi e kan na wa afia e kanafia ni ma do ri yobo ne na asieri ya fe koko agbada eku ye de wo ekpo ori ekpo lubara Zagodo ofiugbon no win it ni ma ya na ekan ma ya dere manade suku aya adodo o idona ikina gbalo you know ofiugbon ni o wa luwe egbera o wa do won la wo bo awa we ala lubo ni legenede o wi gbe o legenede o to wi gbe ma ido ye mu iwe ri o e kan ni o ya o mi o ti fi mo wi e o fi mo ta fi o ava o ma ri mu na de o ki mu na do de fun da we wa mu gbe yo be nu ya we o lugan ni won ya fe don fieka so le boy fiagbo o de ba wo e ka na fi oni owo na wa we wo ni ma we ko yo no be wi en fieka mi o we ro no e ti o inya na kien okay inya na kien ibia do ma mi ibia bo be ya fe bi akinya be do na kinya be gbobazuwa ya sagbo ya se ya ya wa mu ni ati wheelbarrow ya mu ya wa queen ya yo ya mu wa le daddy dunkan ya ga de ya info be wheelbarrow ma be de wheelbarrow bu vi ya yo den e bi edo no se tiki nya a be yo den so ekwebero ekwe ga mu wa so ba mi ekwe mo aba e baba we na ekwe bi ke bi ga mo wan so pan we ekwe ogo yi nora e ga ka we ba no fa nupo ge ha inya na me ka le mu ya ma wa da ri o ka ke na mu ya e ya ba wa da ge inya na me e ka da fia go e ka na fia ni ro ka o da ge e ko bi e ka van kota da ge mami be ka na fia o ye muso mami be e ya ki ya uwe agbada we le ati ne re akem me oh ya ba ya kem we fiona dona ya wen guy un ra agbon su obo we dona na ya ri ari e bread un ra agbon su obo bege we wa do omuri e siwuna o so don tuta pepepe o mu la dian o mu e no ke la dian o koku rio e ya igba e ka na fia bege oni owo e ma no hold on we fienka ekpo ori enaki ekpo ore albara anything do bien zagodo ore ofigboro anything ima ede etio salogba do dege mi ekran na fienka ge oge agbebo dege ina ya fienka ga gbebo na ki o obi ma be se ba ko ke wa ti men kakabo na so na do la we okun na do gwa lo to temi emi na ne bo wu na ya fienka ina we bu ana ya do na ha gwa tutu na ma se ti ari ebu ya do na amigo na ya de bore ina do ha zanze okun na we ami gbo e Nigeria na so me do mi o to àwa mi gbọ́ ebe Nàìjíríà yàtọ̀ gbé ẹ̀dọ̀ nọ́mbà yìí enebo na Africa nebo olu àmì ẹ̀dẹ̀ ebe Nàìjíríà àmì mi ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ ẹ̀dọ̀ nọ́mbà yìí oh praise the Lord hallelujah wàhíà rò ó sáwó àmì mi ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ ẹ̀dọ̀ wa. Yi mata ada ma ya so o ka yiran so na wo ye yiran so ka na fia ina me be no fia e ga ogele mo hu aga ese ba so lo ba no jigore ma ni bi edo wa ja ko boku gbe edo ọjà kò bọ́kù gbé dọ̀lẹ́bù má yóò ẹ̀dọ́ akò bọ́kù gbé dọ̀lẹ́bù má yóò ẹ̀dọ́. ọjà kò bọ́kù gbé dọ̀lẹ́bù má yóò ẹ̀dọ́ wádé ẹ̀dọ́ kò bọ́kù gbé dọ̀lẹ́bù má yóò ẹ̀dọ́. Wabege ani na ma oyi nema dagbona eda ma oyo evi ni to ma manu awari ebubu na do mi na bubu lo eso wi awi sa we na mu ya mu agele ba ko to na mu sa o we no ma no ma ima ko boku bu na bele doyi le obi ma gba e ni bi edu ya Africa no po give a roda ki ya mo la duma wa bege no be so gbe no ro we mata ba o ti bi do e no kinya eso we kin tomatoes ge inya na ge we yan mo yi hu baro ba da hu baro go piana o me hu baro go piana o me hu baro u da ge go piana o me hu baro o si nya yo o kian ma be se ti me hu baro ba be do ma be kunya yo o be fun nu amuno bi edu no be ya kin o kin no be o yi go be ado be he o be ya kin o be yi go do be he o be kin o be yi go do be he o be kin ye bi ma o be do bo wa bo ze ha mi na ma o yi ne ma wa ga ye ku ya o ri ma ni bi edu e na do yu ma giga ela no we yesu ku o ye secondary school o ma mi una we na de no do mo hu baro no ya akinya e gbe be ya lo la be bo kan wo me una gba le una kan ni ma na pa be do ha die bo we hin ma e u be dia no zego bai imunu gunga akpoto ha hesan e tazi na da sia fi do ati ma fi bo dia na imuna dazeni me yi pigbe fi tazi we bo na ipigbe ni yan so abo bere e won tata ma pigbe da fi tazi ana ga yo no ma so gbe o no pogi na de ba e ha inya na me we no mi nya na na musu da ara giae ana giae avedo aya won we na ya me ogede ni ado ati idodo avedo aya won e ma wa de ya wa do wo ya wa mbura ya de muna ya anti na de ya do wo ya wa ri wa ya so wa ya to ta ya de ba ya mo meja ege so bo ya lo bi dege e wa dege in jani hill na wa gia ana wa awon na wa gia ana wa awon ma ne we bur ma ye ma ni bu egbo e ma ere dian awon mejo aloye wa gia na ru edu wa gia na khoi edu de ma we bang no ma vie do me mwebe na ya ma vie do na gbon we mama ibi abo we yan vie do awu ikungo lega ma yan do kino fe yan do kino nya ibo de inya na kin ma be inya na kin eso e we na adogbe konko ne na awon aya won afijan na yo e ba ere oye musu yo oye tie eso do le mandage beans o elene o vinya o zeyo ma ja fe no di que don di suku que don di una ya ga dele ya ko do de que don ki una de que don que suku de ya ga dele ut te be bi no i go po de ha be mi ma no be woni you don't say be right no you say be right emwe na le ope ma ya yin emwe re na ya won ga yi o na ya ri ze o na ya ri akata o de emwe ogunga iya wa ga ti erin do no be mi emwe owa wo se yesu a gbo salo bo kan o I'm Okanya Salobwa. Muda Agbono, ne woro all legaba. They. That we move by you to everyone. So when the man that Tiabidi or Tiwe, they Oka Rebuma, Ogi Rebuma, Rebuma, the Conco Rebuma. Emunale. Mbogisa. Iwe mi oge to na gbe iwe mi nuko ge ha iwe mi oge to da me hair barbing as well as hair dressing. Hair barbing for men, hair dressing for women. Why I only hair? You know I wear hair. Ètò ìdàgbé mẹ́gbọ́n mi pẹ̀lú kéèkì tó náà mẹ́ ló dẹ́ gàrí ìkó náà èmi náà kí n wé dé òpè àkùn ètò ìdàgbé máa ń hìí ìwé adé èké náà wọ̀ ẹ́ máa ń hà sáyọ ní wọ̀ ẹ́ wọ́n kò kì í ha ya wọ̀ ẹ́ wọ́n kò kì í sàn ya wọ̀ ẹ́ wẹ́yì tó ta ní wọ̀ ẹ́ máa ń hà sánú ẹ́. Yeah, where 50,000 yeah, oh my high. Over you know, you no, I am made to, or make an hour already. Look here, how you know my asylum, New York. Look here, how no my asylum in your way. But where they were, eh? Even I am now, my $1 as John one. Mother, if you could, no. Boy. My $1 I've done one. They mean, not many here you want. Boy, not many here you want. I do love you, I never you. Not one man. Am I any better than there will do? Not tell one. Oriclia, Orico, it will not men, it will not be. Who bogey you? He wear me. Okay, Kevin, Orico. He wear me. Not bogey here on the whole. This 7-1. Any kind of trade to be learned, any vocation to be learned, whether men or women. Why are you setting a king? Why are you setting your beto? Why are you setting where a new bo? If you born wow, a copper red the wa, and I'm in a mind, a mean no one out. The company, we know. I will ask you, there is a place in Benin City where people, it's an NGO that teaches people whatever they want to learn or whatever kind of job they want to do. They teach them. People go there to learn. And they pay 16,000 naira, 16,000 naira to learn. We pay for you to go there and learn. You hear that? Now the ball is going to be in your court. We will pay for you to go there and learn. Whatever you want to learn. You want to know how to farm? You want to know how to make soap? You want to know how to, whatever it is. We will give it to you. We will pay for you. You go and learn. After you finish learning, we'll come and help you to establish. We'll come and help you to establish. That particular NGO, they know how to help people to establish. They know how to help people to get loan to start whatever they have learned. You know, I see you, but no, I it's our mommy go. It's a young, the I assume if you came nowhere, even I am my boy. My your boy, very off. So you see, whatever we know, we believe that you can make it. You can make it. What I need from all of us here is to get ready. To get ready to be part of this. Number one, from today on, I want us to write the name of the person, if you know, write the name of the person you want to help. You want us to help. And open the website. Number two, we're going to be donating money. Tell people, tell anybody. We need people to donate money. All of us are going to put it together. All of us. Your $1 is important. Your $10 is important. Your $50 is important. Your $100 is important. Your $1,000 is important. You know, you so, but no, you boy, you won't get no, I say no, yo. I hear you can't come on, I don't hear you. But I see, but I say, you go cocoa. We have opened a website where you can make donation. This is the name of the website, Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry, the website. See it? You see it? This, you can enter the website through here. Okay? Inside that website, there's going to be a place where you can donate money. I said there's going to be because it has not been put yet. Hello, listen. It has not been put yet as of today. The people who are doing the website, they say it's not ready yet. When it is ready, I will tell you. Then you go and donate money through that place. And you will get a receipt for what you donated. That donation is not there yet. When it is there, we will let you know. What we have said today, by the grace of God, is going to be continuous. Even when we become old and we leave the earth, this is going to continue to help Edo people. Okay, wow, okay. My human my power, Bonari, I say, I aware. I had you born on a Boban soil. Don't forget that term, the needy, the poor and the needy. On the Boban soil, no make it out with Guapa, no evening way. So I don't give you about see my affair. He said, do you have anybody in mind? All of us who are present here today, do you have anybody in mind that you want to help? Do you know anybody that you want to help? But here, Bokiao, even at a scene, when one who knew you bona. Do want money in there. If you have somebody you really would like to help, write the name out. Let me see. Write the name out. I'm going to set a day aside for writing names of people we want to help. But as a matter of example, if you have somebody you want to help, write the name out. Let me see it. I told you the kind of people we want. The people we need are the people who really need help. People who don't have money of their own to start anything. People who need training. People who don't have any kind of training, any kind of vocational experience at all. Women who can hardly manage life. I forgot to tell you. The women who go to this NGO to learn. We have started it in our church in Benin. We have a church in Benin, All Saints Christian Assembly. It's in Ofuegbe Street, just by Egwadakan. You will see the sign there. All Saints Christian Assembly. It's a small church. They are yet meeting in my house. We don't have a church building yet. We have already sent women, 5 women, to this training. Yes, sir. 5 women in our church. We have already sent them and paid for them to be trained, to do whatever they like to do with their hands. We are not saying they should pay us back. No. It is to help them be their own lives, that they might get standard life and living. It's not man already. Orokman Egwadakan of Wembe Street, All Saints Christian Assembly. If we send, hey, my gay and I wedding. No, my way, my if we send my house and Yana. The boy, my way would have been the woman. Do well, Mamma, or 10 who. I'll pay it. No, who know any. Who the area, we don't need something or something at a mile. I will in the hour. They are good on you. We don't know the better do. No way I can. Okay, I do one. The man who would an organ. 16,000 naira. 16 only. Just to train somebody. From there, we'll find how you can start, be established. This is a miracle. I want all of us to take advantage of it. Like I said, is there anybody? You know what we were so one man and we do. You know what, Dr. Fadaka Igbonovia, who you were. And anyone is also no man, me, take Bob Conradi. iye mani show ye no kwa Dr. Patricia Igbonovia wa be wa be wa o se gbe be ni me ave ya ma ave mi he me igwa lona you invested in my life. I'm trying to invest in other people's life. And though what entire what about when I'm not coming back to explain all these things every Sunday. Oh no, every week. I've explained it twice now already. I'm trying to help invest in other people's life. Other people invested in my own life. White missionaries and our fathers and our parents, our church leaders, they invested in my life. I'm trying to invest in other people's life now also. In one man, maybe, if I'm giving no man, maybe, I won't be. If I'm able to banner giving ya won't be. Keep your dog, keep your baby. A boy, the banner giving ya won't be. Maybe who did you boy? I'm more now Yahweh, Emma, a bay. Yahweh, I mean. Oh, my eye, bill, a window ball. Well, eh? You also buy my affair, don't you, but mail. No, mamma, baby. Era me ye me ya re mi e bi na ye wewu etemeni petemeni ko ke no lag mo wokin re mi wo e ya fiko na ya mo wo me be mi bi ro kan ke no wa ye ki wa pa na do la sosi isosi ni la ina bi na do mi baba o me go ye doctor ya ye fiana ye doctor ya ye fiana you na we do yo bo me ya wo me be ke bi ni ti na jira ke do ti be bo ona di yo bo me na zero me ya yi we be obe mudame odobe ya fe bi na mudia no mo uyo salobo ayi no ye wewu Dr. iya ye fiana ye abebo Reverend O.C. Robinson abebo Dr. and Mrs. Abel abebo Reverend and Dr. Mrs. Donaldson eni ya zigo ni me iye suku na ya wo mebe even me ayi zena na ayi di yobo na agi kana wade bamen yo bonebo wade bamen yo bonagbon edo wade bamen na yo bonagbon edo o wa hia la re yo bonagbon edo ibi edo no wagwa li yo bo yan pungbe ai ga ma o fio kengwa o de ade yan na yo bo ni yan na neru ni yan wa figure uzo la gari go yo uki gari go yeba if yo ti wo da fi okun na ya wa che koko na ya ni yo bo ya ye do ora gbon ya kana mama we no no ya wa sadu bo wa ita na o ta bo ta we imuna no mu yo won bo la ho wo sadu bo mo ge bo do de ba we na awo obi mo pa gba jabe owe gudu de ba me na na awo obi mo pa gba ja o ye wan say na e ko do ma de ba ma wo na na awo obi mo pa gba la o e ma na ime eni na re do bo fion na me do ri ye bo fion ye o e do yan ye o ye ko fia ye ko ni me yan ye o tu sa o tu sapele yan ye o tu obo yan ye we ni an yo bo ni ma ya won ni wa la o sa bo ge gba ni ma e mo ya fe no ri tiebe e bi ni tanu da de ni tanu uzo an gbe da de tanu o ki no gbe da de ya da me ho me la ha wo yo bo kan yan yo sa lo bo ni an we na o kan na o na ante ba ewe awa pa wa mi o jong we o give o jong we e bo ge dia o give am e gwa na o wa de ba me wa de yo bo me la ha wo mi wa ya fe sabo fiangbo wo wa ke wo de sabo fiangbo wi wa sabo fiangbo wi e wo beni Jesu Christi no nyawa isa wa pa ma gbe ni ro pa oro wa ni wa ma pa yeye oba a sege na wa ri ni are ni ma gbe na odi a be agbe na odi do ma be o na so din la dia ma be so din la dia do mi ri tayi ma so ri ya age owe yi ko mo se wi yo bo ma so ko mo se o na ya age ogo sa lo bo na kan èmi ó sàlóbùa ẹ̀yà ṣàlásẹ̀ èmi ó sàlóbùa ẹ̀yìn ló pa mí sìkàn yọ èmi ó sàlóbùa ẹ̀ mọ ẹgbótọ̀ èmi ó sàlóbùa ẹ̀yà híyẹ yọ dẹ́rẹ́dẹ́rẹ́ gbà sàlóbùa yìí máa yá o sàlóbùa yìí máa yá o wàlá rí ẹ̀dọ́ ìpọ̀ ń wáyà fẹ́ẹ́ dán rí ẹ̀ náà àyè tí ń sọ ní ẹ̀bù yá o hẹ́wò wà nà ọ̀rú yẹn gbé náà nà má gbẹ̀ ní yótọ̀ ìmádẹ́rẹ́ ní wà o òkú ìdẹ́rẹ́ wà rẹ wa ẹ̀hẹ́n àfihàn kẹsù gé wà hẹ́ rẹ wa ìtọ́ amọ́rọ̀gì ọ̀bọ̀kẹ́ èyí máa fẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́ká ìgbìnà bíi dr ìgbìnà bíi ọ̀bọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀rú sàṣìfò màwé tù ẹ̀ dẹ̀ bá ẹ̀yọ́ ìná Vivian màwé tù ẹ̀ bá ìnáwó ọ̀bọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀wò ìnáwó kúyọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ìzẹ́nà kúyọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀kẹ́ ọ̀bẹ̀ náà wùlámẹ̀ ẹ̀wò kúyọ̀ ọ̀bẹ̀ yẹ mẹ́ Zion kó wẹ́ ìyọ̀n ọ̀wẹ́ dẹ́mọ̀pà gbẹ̀nẹ́dù wẹ́ òní dẹ̀gẹ́ mẹ́bẹ́ gbẹ̀nẹ́dù kúyọ̀ wúyí Infinity kúyọ̀ lẹ́mọ̀látà Latifa kúyọ̀ Michel Osahon kúyọ̀ òkú rẹ̀ yíyẹ ẹ̀hẹ́n ọba yàtọ̀ ẹ̀rí ọ̀nà erunu náà yẹ máa yẹ ẹgbẹ́ náà fà ìgbésẹ̀ yẹ o ìṣe a big breakthrough sàlùbà náà kí o lè yọ ọdún wà náà máa yọ ìṣe táyé sẹ́mu àtẹ kó yọ wéèrè ẹ̀ náà òfìàsógè rẹwà kó yọ Latifa hallelujah hallelujah amen nabulele ọbọkẹ o kọ sista kóyọ nabulele wumanu rere wọ́ọ̀tẹ̀lẹ̀ wọ́n ma kóyọ wọ́yà wẹ́sẹ̀ o wọ́yà wẹ́sẹ̀ túgà mọ́sẹ̀ o ìṣẹ́ o túgà mọ́sọ̀ ẹ̀hẹ́n báyìí ìrùnnú náà yẹ báyìí túgà mọ́sọ̀ ìṣẹ́ o sábàlọ́ ní màmú sọ o Sophia yege ọbọkẹ o yìí ma kọ sista ìṣẹ́ wàhíà wàwẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ́kì yakọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́fù nọ ebi na musu Nigeria ma de yakọ̀ ya do n'erun yọ ọwa mama akpọrọ ugbo yakọ̀ erun ma do na sàlùbà nù la ọ̀nà bùrù ma rẹ̀ Nigeria ó ti sẹ́dẹ̀ dẹ̀ wà wíyàn do ọ̀gbẹ̀ bàbá do wà wíyẹ yé do wàhíà ma ọ̀ wà kẹ́ wà so wà wàhíà nílùú wà bó wà á n'erun ní ma o ẹ̀hẹ́n n'átàbà wà á mú ẹ̀rọ na ibi bo bahiano bakiyakwe ababa